video like from a year ago of me in like a crowd, and I'm like, ew, I could never be in a crowd right now. It's so uncomfortable. Just like the thought of it just makes me like, you know. Good morning, my lovely people. I am so excited. Today's gonna be a video at the gym with masks. A huge change for everybody, including myself, to have to wear a mask daily, go to the gym wearing a mask, walking around the gym wearing a mask. It's for the greater good. I mean, it's to protect yourself and to protect everybody. So I encourage everyone to use a mask wherever you go. It's mandatory. You spit, you cough, you sneeze, your bacteria doesn't just fly out of your mouth and all over surfaces and on a person, or that person comes in contact and touches it and then they now have it and then they touch their nose. It's common sense, people. Just wear your mask. If you're working too, you have to wear your mask all day. So at this point, I would think that you would be adjusted. I'm completely adjusted. This is like the new norm for me. I'm rambling. So what today's video is gonna be is me at the gym recording a back and biceps workout. If you're still working out at home, that's completely okay. I actually just worked up the nerve to come yesterday and I hit legs and I'm feeling it today. Without further ado, we're gonna get this party started. I feel like that's my like famous line, get this party started. Get these gains in a bit.
Lady, took me down to where I've been lately. Yeah, her love can make a person hazy. Praying she won't break me down, 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 down. She makes me crazy. Never promise anything, but maybe I let her do anything, let her play me. She makes me go another round, 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 round. What are you doing to me now? You found a way to me somehow. Now you're all I ever dream about. Since I saw you, there's no easy way out. Hear me calling out to you. It's all that I can do. Baby, I am falling. Can't you hear me calling out to you? That's all that I can do. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling. Lady, took me down to where I've been lately. Yeah, her love can make a person hazy. Praying she won't break me down. Yeah. What are you doing to me now? You found a way to me somehow. Now you're all I ever dream about. Since I saw you, there's no easy way out. Hear me calling out to you. It's all that I can do. Baby, I am falling. Can't you hear me calling out to you?
All right, so I'm actually dying. Florida has been extremely hot. I think like is the worst summer ever. I just want to encourage you guys to get in the gym, get working. You're gonna do a great job. All it takes is just starting and you're already winning. So let's get these gains. Like I said, summer's here. You know, you gotta have that summer body on point. Stay dedicated to something. You will see change over time. It is a marathon, not a sprint. It is going to take some time. Rome wasn't built in a day. So guys, I just want to encourage you to make a difference in yourself. So that's my lovely message to you. I'm actually dying. It's so hot, I just can't. So I'm gonna leave this here and blast my AC. And I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.